Producers need to be able to set up projects that are in the bidding and pre-production phase so that tracking can start early on with VFX breakdown documents, such as VFX shot breakdowns. Let's uncover the initial step in setting up a project to track the bidding and pre-production phase. There are a couple of ways to create projects. The first way is via the Projects page, which we can navigate to when we click on the Projects dropdown in our global nav and select View All Projects. Here, let's toggle the dark theme so that we can view this interface differently. To the upper left, we see the Create New Project button. When creating a new project, we can use a template to keep all our page layouts consistent. We'll cover how to create templates from another project later in the series, but it's important to note that Shotgun comes with a handful of templates that we can choose from while creating our projects, whether we're working on a commercial, feature animation, episodes, games, and more. For this project, we'll use the Film template. Project templates store the settings for our projects, but they do not copy over the data. They include project navigation pages, record detail pages, custom pages, and tracking settings, which will be covered in more detail in the Set Statuses topic later in the series. Now, going back to the project creation, let's select the Used Advanced form so that we can fill in some additional details about this project. Name, Signal, we'll use the Film template, status bidding, and a description, because aliens, and Create Project. We'll be taken to the project overview where we can spruce it up a little and add a thumbnail and billboard. Lastly, we add the media we have, like previs and concept art, to the media section by clicking and dragging all the media files into the Upload Movie Drag and Drop. Later, we can organize this media by linking them to associated assets and shots, and anything else that's important in our project. We can also create a new project by going to the Projects dropdown in the Global Nav and selecting New Project. Now, when we go back to the Projects page, we see our project here, and we filter by projects that are in the bidding phase via the Filter panel Status Filter widget. We can make changes to the project's name, change the thumbnail, status, and archive by adding these fields via the Fields dropdown Configure Layout option. We'll cover archiving later in this series in the project completion topic. Once we have been awarded our project, we can change the status from bidding to active.